Oh
ahead.
my God, I'm so overwhelmed. Thank you very much for all your love. Thank you to all my standing. Oh, I forgot, I have a gift bag for you guys. My beautiful sister Lourdes will distribute your gift bag. And my friends, my relatives, my only Auntie Linda, I love you. Thank you for coming. Bagta urag sakit ka, imay ka. Thank you. And my aunt, Auntie Angeles, thank you. And my cousin, thank you very much for all the kabanyan, all the kabanyan. So I hope everybody enjoyed this party. This will not be possible without all the help of of course, Mark Guangco and the team. Give them a give big hand. I love everything, Mark. All the photo shoot, everything. I love that, and all the food. How about the food? How do you like the food? Oh, the beautiful setup and my decoration. I love it. And there's more. There's more surprises. I have just sit back. We have more dancing, so don't go home. Um, just we have we have some more surprises right now. We have some prizes, so don't go home. Thank you very much for all my siblings, for all their help, and all the people behind the scene. You know who you are. From the cook. Thank you for my siblings, my beautiful sister, Lourdes Espejo. Thank you for your help, and my sister Dory. And I'm so proud of my handsome brother, my twin brother, and Rolando. See, I napasalak ida, handang agsalsala. Ngam kitain nyo mo, tikoperasyon da, nagsala da. Thank you all. Thank you for all my rose, my handsome gentleman for the rose dance. You did a good job. And so the night is still young. So let's make memories. Let's do all the dancing tonight. Okay, thank you.
Happy birthday!